Safety first, children.
Finger. Do it from the inside the box. Inside the box. Hold the box. Hold the box.
Remember, children, always have a friend to help you out. They're really good with that. Oh shit! That was badass.
The rest of my fucking hair.
That was badass.
There goes the rest of my fucking hair. Look.
Hang in there, little fire.
There goes the rest of my fucking hair, dude. It smells like the fucking zoo.
Because you went inside.
Dude, seriously. Fuck that shit. I'm pissed now.
Always wear gloves,
No,
children.
go to hell. You didn't do it again. There goes the rest of my fucking hair, dude. I'll light it, but...
Watch it somehow catch me on fire.
Fucking Tiffany.
You never know. It could like...
I think I'm gonna go like fucking bald and shit.
You come, you wake up the next morning, you have no hair on your head.
Oh, it smells bad too, shit.
Really?
I wouldn't do that, man.
Why?
Is it gonna
Why
like
would I
irritate?
do
Gonna irritate your
cell.
skin and all that.
Yeah.
What?
Gonna irritate your skin.
Scrub.
Let it.
In the shower.
I don't give a damn, it's already burning anyways. Turn that off. We're done.